When we began researching appetite, we asked the question, what can history tell us about regulation of appetite with plants? One of the things we noticed was that there was a long history and across many different cultures of using bitterness to regulate appetite and eating behavior. Some of the historical examples are in ancient Rome, they used a bitter-infused wine to stimulate appetite and digestive juices before they had a feast. There's also several examples of using bitterness to suppress appetite. In the Highlands of Scotland, they would use a bitter heath pea to suppress appetite during times of famine. In the Kalahari, they'd use a cactus called hootia to suppress appetite and also thirst during hunting trips. And in the Vedic medicine, there are numerous examples of using bitter plants and herbs to regulate appetite and also help treat diabetes. So these examples started to get us thinking about how bitterness might interact with the body's appetite sensors. We knew that there was both a positive effect on appetite that the Romans used and a negative effect on appetite, which essentially everyone else used. Now that wouldn't make sense if it was on the tongue. So we started thinking, well, maybe it's further down and maybe it's in the gastrointestinal tract. To answer this question, we conducted a world-first study where samples of the gastrointestinal tract were taken and we could identify that there was a presence of bitter taste receptors, or TAS2Rs, all the way through the gut, and that the taste receptors were localized in cells that expressed appetite-regulating hormones, such as GLP-1. Discovering that these bitter taste receptors were present in the gut led to an idea that if we could trigger them using highly bitter compounds, we may be able to stimulate the release of these appetite-regulating hormones and reduce how much food people eat.